powerful physicality of Australia's natural environment is a continuing source of inspiration for jewellery designers, offering complex imagery and materials with strong visual and tactile properties. Contemporary jewellers examine this world as a form of natural history, in which materials can intersect with narratives on light, growth and destruction. The growth patterns and structures of plants and organisms, the qualities and properties of minerals and metals, and the possibility of hybrid materials offer jewellers new ways to interpret the natural world. Marion Hosking makes close observations of the Australian bush environment and celebrates the qualities of plants by abstracting their particular physical characteristics through intricate metalwork. In this brooch, she has pierced shapes into the metal and loosely fixed a number of elements that move with the slightest touch. It reminds us of the fragile texture and constant transformation of the microenvironment of the forest floor and suggests new life through being worn and used. This brooch by Margaret West challenges conventions of scale, materials and value through her use of stone. By balancing opposing themes of transience and permanence, this carved marble brooch is cool to the touch as we lift it as a viewfinder to frame passing clouds. The marble is held in place with a complex geometric silver structure on its reverse side to be appreciated by the owner, but unseen by the viewer when the brooch is worn.